Hello everyone. On this video we are looking the Supertrend on crude oil. Today was a slow day. Today was rollover, and as we can see the entries were not so good. The trend change just happens when the move is over. Most of the trades are or losers or break-evens. This is the start of the day. On the last version of the Supertrend Indicator, we can use the pullback entry. On this example we are using a simple moving average. And what we get is to move the entries to a better place on the pullback to the moving average. And as we can see, we get a better result. We can check with market replay how will this work. As we can see, the signals for pullbacks are shown with triangles. The trend change entries are painted with arrows. Pullback entries are painted with triangles. That means that we need to change the markers configuration to auto trade this setup. On the markers settings, we can see that we enter long on triangle ups in color blue, enter short on triangle downs in color red. We have a blue arrow, so we have a trend change. So now we are looking for the pullback.
Order filled.
Now we have the signal and the entry. I am using a very tight ATM. At the first target I start the trailing stop for the second position. Usually on this setup we don't get a very big target unless the market explodes. For those cases we have the setting to close the position when a trend change happens. So we close a long on an arrow down, or we close a short on an arrow up. So if we are still long, when Supertrend changes the trend on this red arrow, we close the long. So we buy triangles, we close longs on red arrows. Now we are looking for a pullback to the line.
Target filled.
We have a move to the downside.
Order filled.
And a change in the trend to the upside, a pullback. So even if the market stays in sideways, we get at least a small profit. If the market explodes without a pullback, the worst case is that we don't have an entry.
Order.
And this is the end of the day. As we can see on the ATM, I am using 2 contracts with a 12 ticks trailing stop. Thank you everyone. Any question, please post it below this video. Thank you, bye bye.